Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the contact list, find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on add picture, and here we can either choose it from device photos, monogram or illustrations. So we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, or open our own gallery and choose something from our photos. We can also use the monogram, so just the first letter of the name or the surname of this person. We can change the background color, the font, or also set the emoji. It's totally up to you. Or we can use illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can find something which resembles you of the person whose contact you'd like to customize and set it as their photo. So let me choose maybe this one, and then we are able to zoom in or out the photo. We can change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied and you will be able to see this on the contact list and, for example, doing all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.